Shankar,
Yes,
Murli. Yes.
Murli, yes.
We now get the introduction for the women out here. This is Seema from India. She's been one of the top stars for India. She trains in the United States,
Oh, very good.
a medal at the World University Games. The next of them is Samtin Dima of Bhutan. Once again, a high altitude country.
Bhutan.
Santosh Shrestha of Nepal. The lane number 5 is Meti Rasa Vijay Surya of Sri Lanka. After that is Shering Lamo of Bhutan. The second of the Indians, Sanjana Singh. The 8th of the athletes is Sanjana Singh there on a picture frame. Purna Lakshmi Nyupane of Nepal. And the 9th of the athletes is Bishwa Rinki of Bangladesh. The SAF senior record is Parul Chaudhary at Walnut in the United States. 10 minutes 15.35. It can't be 10 minutes. Must be 16 minutes. 16 minutes. How can you have a record of 10 minutes in the women's 5,000? So obviously we'll give you the correction later. The meet record is Prija Sridharan, 16 minutes,
Yes.
08.09. So we continue to get a number of the results out here. The 100 meters final slated later, along with the women. Seema trains at the high altitude in the United States,
Very good.
at Colorado Springs, where Avinash Sable trains. So that's the women's 5,000 meters. 12 laps to go out here in the 5,000 meters for the women. We will also have the triple jump for the women coming up in a short while. An event where a girl switched from the triple jump to the long jump, Anju Babi George.
Yes.
So a wonderful setting here in the Birsa Munda Stadium in Ranchi on the opening day. This is the second of the finals. India taking a gold in the 5,000 meters. That coming through Prince Kumar of India earlier on. We've got a long way to go. You just mentioned, Valsama, about Kerala no longer the same force as what it was during the 70s, the 80s, and the 90s. Anything in particular, and what do you think Kerala should do?
I think nowadays the parents have only 1 or 2 kids only. They are not interested to send them for sports. That's a one.
But with so much of money now in sports,
when one IT professional getting more money than one sports person, sir.
One IT professional is getting more money.
Yes,
Yes. But I hope that scene changes, because Kerala has produced
many
athletes.
Yes,
You know, you can write a whole book on
yes,
athletes from Kerala.
correct.
Football from Kerala.
Yes,
Football from Kerala. Yes. This is the 12 lap event, the 5,000 meters. Getting into that early lead is Sanjana Singh of India. In third place is Seema representing India. And in between, you got one of the two Sri Lankans. That is Meti Rasa Vijay Surya of Sri Lanka. Go back to the javelin in the men, Valsama. The Sri Lankans, the two of them are doing 85 meters now.
Yes.
So they are as much as a threat
of
to India.
And
Pakistan, yes. Nadeem,
yes,
with 90 and 92 meters. Absolutely. So the Asian subcontinent now today is ruling the javelin throw. So if the javelin can be dominated by 3 countries, do you think that these 3 nations, India, Sri Lanka, and Pakistan, should dominate the other events?
Many. Sure, sir. One or two events, definitely we can.
We can, yes. We got 11 laps to go here in the 5,000 meters. I'm just going to go back to the evening, the cultural program which was held, which is a new trend now. Wasn't so much during your time. It started during the Asian Games
Yes,
in
yes,
in
Asian
Delhi.
Games, yes, sir.
In
Yes,
Delhi,
sir.
but
But-
now today it's become virtually a part of an event.
Correct, sir. But they are giving only a 3 minutes, 3 minutes only, sir.
That's right.
Here it is little more. I
It's
think they
little
have
more.
to-
Do you think it inspires an athlete? It makes them feel that we are a part of a huge event taking place.
Definitely, it is good, sir. It's a first day. It's opening ceremony, no?
That's right.
Yeah. The culture of the particular state or our country, it is we can show.
Yes, India is such a
Yeah.
it's such a
Yes.
vast country.
Yes, sir.
South is very different from the
Yeah.
north, and the
Yes,
west is
yes.
different from the east.
Yeah, that's good.
The big brother India leading the way here in these SAF games. But just watch out. I'm going to go back, and I know you're going to watch the 100 meters for the men and the women, because along with the hurdles, I'm sure the 100 meters is your favorite event.
Yes, sir.
Tickets are sold off well in advance.
Well in advance.
If one was to ask you which is your best memory in the period that you ran, just single out one memory, one particular event which you will always remember throughout your life. There's so many, I know,
That mainly it is 82 Asian Games, sir.
right?
That
Take
400 meters hurdles.
Hurdles which you mentioned,
Yes,
which
yes.
you mentioned.
And the Los Angeles Olympics also. sir.
That's right, absolutely, yes. The Los Angeles Olympics.
That we are the finalists in the history. First time in the history.
That's
We
right,
reached
yes.
in the final. Baba Gandhi, myself, Usha, Shiny,
That's right.
and Vandana Rao.
Yes.
That
What a
was the
star!
era started, sir.
What a star performance! What a star team it was. The 4x400
Oh,
meters.
Yes.
No,
Yes, sir. Asian Games, Olympics, Asian track and field.
they say that the seeds of something has to be laid by someone, and I think the four of you started that
Yes, sir. Seed of athletics.
the seed of athletics,
Yes, sir.
particularly the 4x400 meters,
400 meters,
particularly
yeah,
for the
yes,
4x400.
yes, sir.
And today India dominates the 4x400,
400,
both in the
Both
men and the women,
Yes, and mixed relay.
and the
also, sir.
mixed relay as well. I keep on repeating at the World Championships in Budapest, Ramesh gave a fright to the American runner.
Yes.
And
that
at
was
the
great.
end of the event, the Americans asked the Indians, "Where were you?" So, what a field we had. And we must remember these athletes. For you listeners, MD Valsamma is having a chat with me out here. We must remember our former athletes for all that they have done for India. The list is so endless. Lavi Pinto celebrated his birthday yesterday.
Oh,
The late Lavi Pinto.
acha, acha.
100
My day for yesterday was my birthday.
Oh, wonderful. Many happy returns of the
Thank you, sir.
day.
Thank you.
Many happy returns. So, MD Valsamma day for yesterday, Lavi Pinto yesterday, 100 meters gold in the first Asian Games in 1951 in the 100 and 200. And then a gold medal in the 4x100 relay in the Asian Games in 1982. The late Lavi Pinto. I was fortunate to meet him many, many years ago,
Oh, oh.
but he's now no longer with us. And then the other big names in the men, we spoke of the women, Gurbachan Singh Randhawa, Milka
Yes, sir.
Singh.
Yes, sir.
Some of them are here now. Paramjeet Singh,
Singh is there.
Jyotirmoy Sikdar is here.
Yes.
Krishna Punya is here.
Yes, good.
Well, we get very emotional when we talk about
Yeah.
all of you.
Right.
And what a privilege it's been for me to commentate
thank you,
on
sir.
your events. And now I'm commentating on the junior events.
events.
That's right. And having a chat with MD Valsamma. We are now 8 laps to go, just to get you up to date. There are 2 Indians
Sri Lanka, good.
with the Sri Lankan in between. The 2 Indians, the combination of Seema and Sanjana Singh. We got the official results of the men's 5,000 meters here. Prince Kumar 14 minutes 22.17. Vikranaraj Waksan of Sri Lanka got a silver 14 minutes 23.21. And Mukesh Bahadur Pal of Nepal 14 minutes 25.54. Mohit Chaudhary missing the bronze or a silver 14 minutes 33.83. Now I'm not going to say anything because remember earlier
Because
you had the two Indians in
same,
the
same,
men
sir.
running. We have an
Like I said, sir,
identical.
we cannot predict anything,
Yes,
sir.
we have an identical situation.
Yes, yes.
Seema is very strong. The second is Vijay Surya of Sri Lanka. There are two Sri Lankans. Samudika Herath of Sri Lanka. Did you see a lot of Susantika Jaisinghe run? She was junior to you, but did you see her run?
No, sir. I only in the TV, sir.
Only on
Yeah,
television.
television.
A
Directly.
medal, Sri Lanka's first medal at the World
medal,
Championships.
Yes, sir.
What Valsama would be your advice to the youth of India? You still got black hair. You don't have white hair, but I still want to ask you that question. You know, they say your hair is grey, so you give an advice. But you've been such a wonderful athlete. You done India proud. We're looking at these two girls here now, trying to buck up with 6 laps to go. That's 400 into 6, 2,400 meters. What would your advice be to the youngsters, the girls in particular?
Only dedication, sir. Sincerity, dedicate. They should hard work. Then
Sin-
only we can achieve the medal, sir.
Yes, you
Yeah,
think Neeraj
no other
Chopra? You
shortcut,
think
sir.
Neeraj Chopra has been one of them, as you mentioned? Hard
Yes,
work,
Yes, hard work.
hard work,
Definitely, sir,
sacrifices.
Sacrifices, yes, sir. There is no shortcut to medal.
There is no shortcut. That's the word. Yes, there's no shortcut. I also like to get you on that very important question: doping drugs.
That should
Stop.
completely avoided, sir.
Avoid it.
Yeah.
That's right. What would you tell your parents? What the parents?
Parents
And the
also should
coaches.
take care, sir. They should also take care.
Yes, the coaches spend a lot of time with
Yeah.
the girls and the boys.
Yes,
No shortcut. That's the word.
yes, sir.
We've got 5 laps to go out here. It's still in the lead. Sanjana Singh of India, along with Seema of India. The Prija Sridharan 16:08.09. I still remember there was another girl in the 1500 and the 5000, Sunita Rani,
Sunita Rani.
from
yes, yes.
who won at the Asian Games.
Asian Games gold, sir.
That's right. How can you forget the Wonder Girl? She won the 800 and the 1500. Jyotirmoy Sikdar
Jyotirmoy Sikdar.
went on to become a member of parliament.
Yes, sir. The great.
You know, she was telling me that when she came back from the Asian Games to Kolkata, and she had to go and meet the Prime Minister, the Honorable Prime Minister Indira Gandhi.
Oh,
She travelled from Calcutta to Delhi in a second class unreserved. Look at how times have changed now.
The same thing it has happened in my Asian Games gold medal, sir. I have travelled in the second class without reservation to Kerala.
Wonderful.
Yes, sir.
Oh. And look at these athletes now.
Yes.
They stay
They are
in
having a comfortable
stay,
and
travel,
Absolute
5-star
double.
hotels.
Yeah. We should give, sir.
Yes. So they now have, as they say,
working for our country.
Absolutely. Yes. But that's why I keep on saying they're now lapping these two girls.
Yes.
They are now lapping the three of them. There are two Bhutanese and one from Bangladesh. 4 laps to go. In fact, it will be, 4 laps to go. 1200 meters here in the women. I don't see the Sri Lankan there now. She has fallen behind. So this looks to be a different cup of tea. The Sri Lankan is not there. Well, Sanjana Singh is looking strong.
Yes.
Seema is the more experienced of the two girls. That's where it might come into a handyful for her. We all know that distance running is a big contest fought on the battleground of your own body, with specific demands upon the will, which are different in nature from those experienced in the power events. That's the key to the 5,000 meters. And the 5,000 meters, of course, everything is very central to the distance events. These are the activities which are, of course, capable of the analysis in the same way as other athletic events. 3 laps to go now for the two girls, Sanjana Singh and Seema of India. In fact, there are two Seemas in the SAF games, one in the 5,000 meters and one in the field event.
In Doha, one team is there. Our team is there.
Yes,
B team, C team. Yeah.
we must talk about that. That's a good point that
Yes.
you made. We have already won 3 medals
Yes.
yesterday, where Shaurya Ambure won a silver in the 100 hurdles.
Yes,
That's
sir.
your event. I'm
Yes, yeah.
sure Ajit Kulkarni, a coach, will take an advice from you sometime. She won the silver there. The
Silver
Chinese was ahead.
Yeah.
So obviously Jyoti Yaraji, the big name in the 100 hurdles. And then we got a medal in the 20-kilometer walk
Yes.
and the short put. Jasmine Kaur.
There.
All the junior
Yeah.
teams are there.
This is C team.
That's right. But a great experience,
Yeah.
isn't it?
These girls are doing very. Our athletic federation is like anything, sir. Whatever they want, they are giving.
Yes. The junior events now over 5 days. We were there in Bhubaneswar just
Bhubaneswar.
5 days ago.
Yes.
Or a week ago. 5 days, 10 hours of coverage every day. Do you think did you have under 14 during your time?
No, sir.
No. So that's a good step. That's a good step.
I sports even to 16 years.
Oh. So if Valsamma was to look back and say, if I had started at 14, maybe that would have made a
At least,
difference.
sir.
Yes. So it's now 2 laps to go here. It's going to be a duel between Sanjana Singh and Seema. Who's the stronger of the two girls? Seema is looking strong. All that experience of training abroad is going to come her in good stead. In fact, when you look at these two girls,
Sri Lankan girls are far behind.
oh yes, the Sri Lankan has fallen way behind.
Hmm.
So the gold and the silver looks the Indian way. And yes, we all talk of training for these boys and the girls, which of course does so much to increase the resources, the physical elements of distance running into the last 400 meters now. The last 400 meters, there goes the bell. And running, of course, you must remember that although the will can drive, look at the will there which is driving them, the body to the outer edges limit, the body's capacity
Yeah, they
is
started
finite.
sprinting. Yes, they started sprinting.
Yes, that's the sprint that
Good,
Valsamma
good.
keeps on talking about.
Yeah,
Sanjana,
last 300 meters.
Sanjana, Seema, Sanjana, Seema, Seema now, the last 200 meters. Seema now decides कि बहुत हो गया अब. Sanjana close. Look at that.
Yeah,
Look
yeah,
at
yeah.
that.
Yes, they.
On the home straight now.
Yeah, it's a sprint like anything.
Yes.
Oh.
Does Seema have the energy to fight back?
Yes. Come on.
I love Valsamma cheering the two of them. Sanjana,
Yes,
it is. Seema has to settle for a silver. Valsamma, great performance.
Yeah. So, congratulations.
16 minutes 08.09 is the meet record.
Oh, okay.
The unofficial time says under 16 minutes, so I don't know if it's going to be a meet record. We'll wait for the
Priya's record.
That's right. Prija's record is 16 minutes 08.09.
Okay.
But we'll wait for the official confirmation to come in here.
Yes.
The Sri Lankan now the last lap. That's the girl who was in the third place.
Third place.
But what a performance. What a
Good,
performance.
sir.
And the others now finishing. The two Indian girls,
That
Sanjana
is, Sri Lankan
Singh.
girls came fourth.
Yes.
Coming fourth.
Fourth now.
This is Nepal.
That's the Nepalese girl.
Nepalese girl
Yes.
came third.
2 to 4 is Santoshi Shrestha from Nepal, and now the Sri Lankan.
Sri Lankan fourth.
That's the girl who was leading actually.
Yes, sir.
Rather in third place.
She's very junior, I think.
Yes. Vijay Surya. But
How old is she?
she was born in November 02. So that makes her 23 years
23.
old. So 15. Oh yes, it is a meet record.
Meet record.
15
Good.
minutes 38.70.
Oh.
The Seema has also broken the meet record, 1540.55. And the Nepalese Shresht Santoshi, 1636.61. I'm sure Preeta Sridharan
Since
must be
record-
watching this live
Might be, sir,
telecast.
might be.
Sanjana Singh, 1538.70,
Very good.
sets a meet record out here.
As a junior girl, it is very good performance. sir.
Absolutely. Sanjana Singh, 2006 born,
Okay.
just 19 years old.
So great, sir.
Seema is 2001, 24 years
24
old.
years.
So a 19-year-old Sanjana Singh,
yeah, Sanjana Singh.
1538.70.
It's a great performance, sir. Yes,
That
sir.
is a great performance. And look at the record, Valsama, 1608.09,
To
better to 1538.70.
38. Yes.